A Carolina Locksmith is a certified, bonded, and insured provider of a variety of professional locksmith services, including installation and repair. Our residential and commercial services include handling lockouts, rekeying, key fabrication, broken key removal, installation of top brand names of deadbolts and new locks, high security locks, master keying and keyless entry systems, mailbox and window locks, peepholes and doors, panic and exit alarms and devices, opening of desks and file cabinets, and the opening, repairs, cleaning, combination changes, and installation of safes, and so much more. So for integrity, consideration, and reliability, contact A Carolina Locksmith today, because to us, your security is our top priority.